Hello brothers and sisters, welcome. This is my first video on this channel and today I will give you 3 great ways to earn money online. Firstly, I want to tell you guys to stop wasting your time on doing nothing. Try something new. Just try it. Invest it. I would rather invest a $1,000 and lose it all instead of just doing nothing and be cool with the average mentality. Let's start with Forex trading. Forex trading is a very great way to earn money online on short term. The risk management is really important. Download MetaTrader 5 on your iOS or Android and you can try it out. In this picture here you can see someone's trading with the currency gold. You can see the profit and right now you will probably thinking I want that as well. Is it possible guys? In one day Forex can change your life financially. Crypto trading is the second way to make bargains. Leverage trading is looking like Forex trading. A lot of day traders are doing both of them. Long term is for me the key to success for crypto. Let's take this example right here. You can see the chart of Cardano. At the lowest point 1 ADA costs you 2 cents. And this year at the highest point 1 ADA costs you $2.50. You can make the math. Let's take $2,000 to invest at ADA on 2 cents. Then you will have 100,000 up to $2.50. If you multiply that, then you will make $250,000 with only investing $2,000. Don't sleep on this. The third way to earn money online is dropshipping. Let's take this example here. You can see the price of the watch. Let's say you are going to invest in a own watch store and buy 100 pieces. 100 pieces with the price of $9.51 is going to be $951. If you are selling it for $30, your profit is $20.49. If you sell 100 of them, you can see your profit on your screen. That is $2,049. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. I hope I gave you all some ideas to start making money online. Don't forget to like and subscribe and I will see you in the next video. Peace.